In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make high ticket sales using Clickbank and Craigslist. So you're going to want to stick around and see the details of this video, and I'm going to get you started here right now. Okay guys, welcome back to today's video. As I told you, I'm going to show you how you can make some high ticket sales using Clickbank product and Craigslist. Alrighty, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com website, and if this is your first time in my videos, or you've been here before and you still haven't yet subscribed to the channel, I can't imagine what's keeping you back. Just go ahead and reach down there right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Okay? Alright guys, well I'm sort of anxious to show this to you. Let's go ahead and get jumped right in on this. And what we're going to do is we're going to come over here to our Opera browser here. What we're going to do is you want to come first to Clickbank, right? We want to get our product that we're going to use, and so we're going to choose from Clickbank. Now, you can actually do this method with any product you want, any Clickbank product you want. Doesn't matter. As long as you want to stay in the three main niches, which is wealth and relationships and health and wellness. Okay, well for today's example we're going to use wealth because there's a high ticket sale that we can do here. So you get signed up at Clickbank. If you don't have an account, it's free to sign up. Just come to clickbank.com, which you see up here in the address bar right here. And I'm already logged into my account, but clickbank.com, click create account, and it's free to sign up and get your affiliate ID nickname and so that you can promote these products, okay? Alright, so you want to come over, we're going to choose e-business and e-marketing category. After you get signed in, click on marketplace up here, brings you over to this page right here, and you click on e-business and marketing down here, and it brings up a list of all these different products here that have to do with making money online, such as Clickbank University here as $212.37 you can make right now on this product. But the one that we're interested in, we're going to come all the way down here and we're going to use this one right here, the Super Affiliate System, John Crestani's auto webinar funnel. And as you can see, you can make $522.41 per sale right now at this time. That's what we're going to do. We're going to choose that product right there, and all you need to do here is just that simple enough. Just click on the promote button, and I've already stepped ahead a little bit in this video to so it doesn't make it so long for you guys, okay, because you know how I can get long-winded with this stuff, okay? So you want to click on the promote button here, and it's going to bring up this window right here. And as you see, my account nickname, you want to make sure your affiliate ID is in that box there under account nickname. And then you just want to leave this at the default video sales letter, okay? And then you just click on create or generate hop links button right here, and then you get your hop link down here, and then you click here to copy it, or you can highlight it and copy it as well. It's up to you. And then what you want to do is you want to bring that link over to bit.ly.com. I know you guys have seen me come here before. bit.ly.com. Now I've already stepped ahead here and I pasted my Clickbank link in here, and I clicked on shorten, and it gave me this link right here. As you see, here's my Clickbank link, and here's my bit.ly link right here. And then what you want to do is you want to test that link out. I always tell you guys to test these links just to make sure it goes where you're. I don't know about you, but I just don't trust these link shortener companies 100%, okay? Alright, so we're going to copy this link here, and then we're going to throw it up here into the address bar, and we're going to test it out, make sure it goes over where we think it should go, which it does. This is John Crestani training webinar that people can sign up for. Alright, now, and it's free. Doesn't cost anything to view this. Now that we got this information here, we have our product, we have our bit.ly link, and next we're going to do is market this thing. We'll show you how to market this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to use Craigslist. And Craigslist is available, guys. This is a free method. It doesn't cost anything to do this. And as you can see, Craigslist is available pretty much worldwide. If we scroll down here, this is all the United States, and these are each states and towns here. And then come on down, you see here's Canada right here, and then there's Europe, every place in Europe here, and the Asia, Pacific, Middle East. I mean, it's Kuwait, Pakistan, Singapore, Thailand, Taiwan. They're all over the place. Craigslist can be used from anywhere in the world, and Clickbank, you can use Clickbank pretty much anywhere in the world as well. All right, so now what you want to do is click on one of these cities and states here. Being that I'm in the United States, doesn't matter where you're at, you can use United States too if you want. And you just want to pick like a large city where there's a lot of people at, right? Alright, so I chose, for mine, I chose New York City right here, and it brought me over here to this page right here. And then what I did was, is it brings you to this page, and what I did was, you want to come down here just to the left of me that you see down here where it says resumes. Now, we could try to post in here like small biz ads, or even in the business over here under for sale. But the thing about Craigslist, they stopped allowing affiliate links to be on any of their posts on Craigslist anymore. But the method that we're going to use here today is going to get around that. It's going to be on the outside of Craigslist, if you will. So what you want to do is you want to come down here and click on resumes. If you're in a different country, it may say CVS there, or CVs, and it's the same thing. It's people posting resumes looking for work or jobs or something like that. Okay, in our case, we're going to be looking for work from home, or make money online, or how to make money from home, so on and so forth. So if we click on resumes here, and that brings us over here to this page, and then what we want to do is right here is we want to type in like work from home, and we're going to be looking up people who are looking for to be able to work from home, right? Click that, and it brings all up this list right here. And you see there are several people posting here about work from home, seeking work from home or otherwise. And so I'm looking for a work from home opportunity, and so on and so forth down through here. All you need to do is pick one of these, and actually you can do all of these, it doesn't matter. Now what we're going to do here is when you click on this, it brings you over and it shows you the post that the person made. Now this is going to require you to have a Gmail account. As you can see, I have a Gmail account right here, and if you can have Gmail, you can have Yahoo Mail, you can have MSN Hotmail, it doesn't matter, just an email address that you can use for this in case they want to mail you back, and so on and so forth. We're going to click on this right here. Now I chose this right here. It says looking for work from home in New York, okay? And then what you want to do is you want to click on the reply button right here, and that should drop down a link right here, and you see all these email options right here. What you want to do is you want to take this bottom link right here, the bottom link where it says copy and paste into your email, and you're going to right click and you're going to copy that. Alrighty, and then we're going to bring that right back over here to Gmail, and we're going to click on compose right here. Now like I said, you can use your mail or whatever, Yahoo or whatever you have. So we click on compose, and I'm going to drag myself out of the way here for this. It brings up a new message thing right here, and we're going to paste in that email we picked up there off of Craigslist. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. I'll just see if I can zoom in here for you, and you can see that right there. So see, we pasted that Craigslist link, email link, right in there in the to section. Okay, then for our subject, now I have a script here that I will leave a copy of this script down in the description where you can download this script that you can use here. And let me get myself out of the way here, back down here again, and you can click the link. You'll find it down there in the description for this script right here, and you can get a copy of this for yourself. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to come over here, I'm going to copy this subject right here, listing on Craigslist. Alrighty, and then what we're going to do is bring that back over here to our mail, and you see right here above my head, I'm going to paste that in right there. And then we're going to come back and we're going to get the body of this message. If you guys want to read this, you can write this down, or like I said, you can download a copy of it from the link in the top of the description down there below this video. And what we're going to do is we're going to copy this script right here. Alrighty. Actually, I need to straighten it out. Just a moment here. It's a little bit backwards here, but I'm going to straighten it out. Alrighty, there we go. Now we're going to copy this script right here, this letter. Okay, right there. We've already got our subject, so we just want to copy the body of the script here. Come back over, and we're going to paste that right in here. Okay, let me drag myself out of the way here again so you can see. Now, if you can see this, let me see if I can zoom in a little bit here on this and get this over here where I can work with it on it. Now, as you can see here, it's got all you need to do is put your name in down here at the bottom after kind regards. Alright, and then here is where you're going to paste your bit.ly link at, right here where it says link 2 times, right there. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to come back and get our bit.ly link and copy that, and then we're going to come back to Gmail and we're going to paste that right in there where it says link right there. You see that? And we will just paste our bit.ly link in right there, and we'll do it again right here as well. Alright, and once you get that done, guys, it's just a matter of clicking send at that point, and that's all there is to it. You're giving them an opportunity to click on this webinar and see this webinar and to purchase this system from John Crestani to make money online from home, which is what they're asking for, right? Alright, so then I'm just going to click on send. If you look over here on the left, it says message has been sent. Alrighty? And then so that's how you do that. Okay, and then it's just a matter of coming back and repeating that process again and finding another one in the list to do this with. I mean, you can go down through the list and pick all of these, or you can pick the ones that say they're looking for work and just scroll down and keep sending these out. And guys, it's a numbers game here, okay? The more of these that you send out, the more opportunity you have to make high ticket sales at $522.41 per sale. Okay, so if you can spend 5, 6, 8 hours a day just coming through all these Craigslist sites in all these different cities and towns and countries, go through all of these cities, towns, and countries, and just do this over and over and over, and email these things out to people that are looking for work from home and help them out and make some high ticket sales for yourself as well. Okay, also before I continue on here, got a little bit more to tell you. If you like this video, reach down there right now and give me a thumbs up. Just smash that thumbs up button if you would, and if you have any comments or questions about this, reach down there and leave them in the comments section below. If you have any questions, I'll be glad to help you out with this particular method here. Alright, now how about some of you you guys want to have a good education on how to sell Clickbank products. Well, you notice right here, if you really like Clickbank products like I do and you want to make a lot of money with Clickbank, you can either join Commission Hero here, which is Robbie Blanchard's program, and that's a fairly expensive program, or you can join Clickbank University for about $50 a month payment and get an education from there how to market Clickbank products. But I have a better way for you. I have a much better, cheaper way for you here. How about if you, instead of going to Clickbank University and getting the education and learn how to sell their products and make big money for $50 per month, how about if you come over here to where it says Mentor with Kev there at the top of the video, you see, reach down there and click that link in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come on over, get signed up on my list, come to the back of the my funnel, and you'll see this page right here. And what you can get is the Copywriter's Playbook, Dave Sharp's new Copywriter's Playbook from Legendary Marketer, and get all these 5 bonuses right here, and also get the education, the 15-day online business builder challenge, which is the same education that Clickbank University will give you for $50 per month. You get the same education, the same tools, and get it all right here for a ridiculous, no-brainer refundable. See it right down here. Take a full 30 days, $1. Guys, get the same education that Clickbank University gives you with the same tools for just $1 instead of $50 per month. So don't waste any time. Click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over, get signed up on my list, come through the back of the funnel and come to this page right here and get access for $1 and get the education, and in 15 days be up online with Clickbank University or Clickbank products, making big money, showing you how to scale it all up and everything, and you also get a free coach to help you out as well. Alrighty guys, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that. If you got the value out of this video, reach down there and hit the thumbs up for me again, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. Alrighty guys, well I'm going to let you guys go with that, and I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting video. You guys have an awesome day. Bye bye now.